And this week we have done a lot of fun things, so you guys get to come along, so let's go. Hi, Johnny. Are you tired, Johnny? Yeah. We are going to meet the teacher.
Yep. Over there is like sign up for PTO, helping with stuff like that.
Okay.
This is
Whitney.
Wait, I'm looking.
Whitney, where's your locker?
I gotta tell Whitney something. Little kids come in there and they're scared of that skeleton. You know what you say? Tell them this. Say, well, in here we follow the rules because that student didn't, and look what happened to him.
He's crazy.
He's pretty naughty. No, I'm kidding. He's a good boy, actually.
Johnny, there's your locker. So this is the newest addition to Burger R&R. It's a squirrel. I have no clue what he's doing though. His name is Rocky. I put that in there. So that's his mug of milk.
Yeah, put it in there for 20 seconds and stir it.
Okay. Do you like your Carhartt, Mom? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now you can see him a little bit better.
Hot. That's hot. That's really super hot.
Oh, he's kind of a scaredy squirrel. He likes it. It's warm. It's a hot. Oh, he can tell that's milk.
Yeah, he's drinking it.
Aww.
Oh, are you okay? She was peeing. Here, Mama.
Johnny, don't feed him out of that teacup.
Sorry.
Where's the squirter at?
Well, he doesn't like to drink out of squirters. Here, Mama.
Here, Johnny.
Hungry? I'm passive. Melty. Will you settle down?
Oh.
Come here. Here.
Johnny, get him over on the cloth, please.
He's trying to grab it like a baby.
Too big?
Don't make him choke to death on it.
So the news guy is here, and today we're gonna be talking about the deer. So
I'm not ready for the news.
you're not ready for the news? Dad's over there getting interviewed by the news guy. It has been a while since I last did a vlog on our farm, but we did end up getting our fence built. I don't know if you can see that, but we have our cows, and we have our mama cows over there. I don't know if they're pregnant yet, but I'm just calling them mama cows because they're bigger. But I can go give you a better view in a little bit.
What?
Andrew's being interviewed right now. Hi, Cody. There's the cattle. Where's Cece?
Oh, she went in there.
Yeah, they like to hide in there. Hi, Spooters. There's our cat Mittens. There's our Cody, Cece. There's our cat. So I think that's all the cats.
I'm gonna ride home. I'll walk. Wait.
Have you ever watched I Ever Wimpy Kid? This kind of reminds me of the song. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.